All right, guys, I just wanted to give you a quick explanation about how do you know whether you've shown mastery and are done with a learning target versus I have not shown mastery and I still need to take a quiz on that. Okay, part of your requirements for Algebra 2 to receive credit this year are not only are you doing the practices, but are you showing mastery over the material, okay? And that's what these mastery quizzes are, okay? And so I just want to talk you through what that looks like. So what you need to do is log into your Infinite Campus and go to the instructional feedback section of your Algebra 2 class, okay? Under there, under your instructional feedback section, you're going to see an assignment. It will say COVID 723 Mastery Quiz. Okay, that's going to be the title of the assignment. Make sure it's the Mastery Quiz and not practice. Okay, 723 Mastery Quiz. Now here's how you understand this, and this is the same thing that has always been for any instructional feedback. 1 means that you have mastered it. So if you see a 1 for that score, you are done with 723. You no longer need to take that mastery quiz, okay? If you have a 0.5 or a 0, okay, so these scores right here, a 0 or a 0.5. If you have that in the grade book, that means that you've shown me either that you partially understand it, or a 0 means that you don't understand it yet at all, okay? You need to take that quiz that's below for Friday, okay? The 723 Mastery Quiz. Your goal is to get 100% on those so I can go back and change your score in Infinite Campus. If you have an M for that 723 Mastery Quiz, it means you haven't taken one yet and you need to take that Mastery Quiz, okay? So that's all it is. If you have a 1, that means you've shown me mastery for that learning target. You don't need to take that quiz again. If you don't have a 1, you need to take that quiz again and show me mastery. You're welcome to use your notes. You're welcome to go back and watch the videos to help you. Okay, the goal is that you're learning the material and that you can show that you can do it on your own. That's all these mastery quizzes are. Okay, and it follows the same instructional feedbacks scores that we've used all year long. Okay, if you have any more questions about this, please let me know. But basically, the simple rule is if you don't have a 1, you need to take the quiz again. Okay, so again, email me, GChat me, remind chat me if you have any questions. But I hope that helps things make a little bit more sense.